Hello everyone, welcome to DreamSpace Decor YouTube channel. So if you love homes that are stylish, comfortable and peaceful, then you are in the right place. Before we start, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest home decoration videos. So today's video is all about TV unit setup, from the wall behind the TV to the furniture below it, from storage idea to decoration. This is the main part of every wooden living room, and if it is designed nicely, it can completely change the look of your space. So just imagine you entire your living room and your eyes go straight to a beautiful TV setup. The lights are soft, the racks are clean and the design feel like a dream. A TV unit is not just a stand for your TV. It includes the TV wall, the storage below and everything around like small box, side space, lighting and decoration. This full setup makes your TV watching area both useful and stylish. The first type is a wall mounted TV unit. This means the unit is fixed to the wall and does not touch the ground. Perfect for modern homes. So just imagine a floating wooden panel with LED light behind the TV and net shelf below. Simple, beautiful and save space. The second type is a floor mounted TV. These are placed on the floor. They are good if you want more space to keep things. You can keep small boxes, big boxes and also make space for speaker or books. So just imagine a long wooden setup with small boxes on one side and open racks on the other, very useful. Then comes the corner TV unit. If your room is a small, corner unit are a smart ideas. They fit in unused corner and make the room feel bigger. You still get storage, but it saves space too. Other option is the built-in TV unit. These are made especially to fit your full wall. You can add look racks, decoration space and hidden storage. A full wall unit gives a rich and stylish look to your room. Now let's talk about materials. Wooden TV units never go out of style. They feel warm and work well in both old and new homes style. You can choose solid wood for strength or factory made wood for a lower price. Glossy or matte finish is also popular. It is easy to clean and look modern. For the wall behind the TV, you can use marble or stone sheets. Just imagine a white marble piece with golden lines and soft lighting. It feels like a hotel setup. Glass racks also look modern. You can place showpiece on them and add small lights to make them shine in everything. So TV units are not just for looks, they are useful too. Closed boxes help you hide wire, remote and gadget. Open racks are good for books, family photo or plants. Small boxes are great for charger, paper and small things. Floating racks make the room feel light and modern. So just imagine your living room looking clean, neat and nothing is lying here and there. The wall behind your TV matters a lot. You can use wood panels for a warm feeling or wallpaper with a design for style. You can paint it in a different color, highlight your TV area like a dark wall with a light setup or the opposite. Lights are also very important. LED lights behind the TV or under the setup looks soft and smart. Small light on shelves make your decoration shine. Warm lights are better than white ones if you want a peaceful look. So just imagine watching your favorite show at night. All lights are off and only the TV area is softly glowing. It feels like you own a small theater at home. Small decoration ideas can change the whole look. Put a plant on one side. It brings freshness and add a photo frame or wall painting above the TV setup. A nice wall clock or mirror gives a stylish touch. Candles or travel memories to decorate. But remember, don't put too many things. Keep it simple and clean. So if your room is small, choose a floating setup that does not touch the floor. Wall mounted TVs save a lot of space. Use hidden storage behind panels and choose light colors to make your room feel bigger. So just imagine a small living room that still feel big just because your TV unit is smartly made. Here are some useful tips to choose the right TV unit. Check the size of your wall and TV properly. Big color that match your sofa or flooring. Make sure there is enough space to manage wires, and always think about future needs like speaker, game setup or more storage. So if you have kids at home, your TV should be safe for them. Don't use sharp edges, use boxes instead of open shelves. Add soft cushion for movie time and keep wire hidden or out of reach. So just imagine your kids sitting safely watching cartoon and your room still look neat and clean. Your TV unit is not just a screen place, it is a corner where you relax, spend time with family and enjoy your show. It should match your taste and support your daily life. So just imagine you come home tired, sit on your sofa, your favorite show is playing and your TV area is glowing softly. Everything is clean, set properly and looks beautiful. That is the power of a good TV unit. Thank you so much for watching today's video on DreamSpace Decor. So if you like these ideas, please give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We bring you new home decor ideas every day. Stay happy, stay creative and keep decoration your dream space.